What's up, guys? Like I said, I will be redoing a few models because I was running out of space for videos because a couple of my videos were too long for both the storage of my iPad and too long for YouTube. Well, I don't get it because I saw a video on there that was like 20 minutes long, and I don't get it. I don't get why I can't have a 15-minute long video. So anyway, this is the Dragon Wings 1/400 scale Premier Collection, Frontier Airlines Boeing 737-300. This is a very cool model. As you can see, it's in the old Frontier livery, and I don't think this is in the Frontier fleet anymore. I'm not very fond of that airline. And the registration is N30FA. On camera, focus. Doesn't focus. So anyway, you can display it in gear up or gear down, and this comes with extra pieces so you can, gear up or gear down. And I was wondering why it had two wheels, but it didn't have these inside wheels on the other side. And then I remembered that 737s don't have the flaps for rear landing gear, and the front landing gear, it's got a seam going down for some reason. It's got a it looks like a big cat of some sort. Oh, it's a tiger. Yeah, it's got a tiger on the tail, and on the other side, wait, that's a wolf. Sorry. That's a wolf, and that is a tiger. Sorry, I got those two confused because the colors of the animals aren't very different, and it's kind of the graphics on the tail aren't that great. And it says Spirit of the West, which is just this little blurry green line. This is a very nice model. Get it if you can. It's got neat detail on the engines. Rate, comment, and subscribe. See you later.